Prior to Kimoby, we'd been using video, multi-point inspection, texting programs. We'd used 2 companies prior. We went to Kimoby because we were having inconsistency with message delivery, and the support that we were getting from the other vendors was not great. I think what I love the most is the campaign tool. I mean, it's truly what sold me, because it's much greater, much better than I ever expected. It's like having a marketing company built into your DMS with all of your customers that you can directly reach out to. I have, on average, a 10 to 15% response rate for scheduling. You're getting real-time results. So we went from calling roughly 250 customers per month, and I can build a campaign in a matter of minutes and directly message those customers. It was a total game changer. Since implementing Kimoby, our sales closing has increased, our average dollar an hour per repair order has increased, our CSI has increased from transparency, level of communication that the customer is able to receive. When we do a video, I mean, our average uplift on sales is $420 of additional parts and labor revenue. So you do that, 250 times per week for each car, and you have a huge increase available to you. So if you were looking into any kind of EMPI software, video, texting, marketing type campaign, this is your all-in-one package. It has everything that you need. Quite frankly, I don't know how other people haven't switched to it. I don't see any reason why at this point I would move forward with any other vendor. I mean, they offer everything that I want and need in their platform.